In today's video, I want to guide you on how to insert your picture on Excel spreadsheet just like this. In 2 minutes guys, you are good to go. Here is how you've inputted your data on Excel. But take a look at the size here, they are very small. Now to expand this size on all the cells in this Excel spreadsheet is very simple. Click on this button here. Now come back to this place, expand this. It's going to expand everything. Then come back to this place and expand this like this. It's going to expand everything like this. Now that I've done that, come to this place. You need to add a shape to this place. This way is very simple. Go to the insert button. If you are using the latest version of Excel, then click on illustration, click on shapes. Now click on rectangle. While dropping the rectangle on this box, make sure you click and hold Alt button, then drag the shape here like this. It fill it up. Now come to this fill shape, click on it. From the option here guys, select picture. Don't forget you have to select from the file, socket, stock images, online picture, or from icon. So I'm going for my file. Click on this one to open your file. Now don't forget we are picking onion. Click on this onion button, then click on insert. Now you have your onion inserted here fully. Now repeat the same process for the rest of this project. So let's go for the fish. So that's all guys, you've been able to complete all this process. If you get this tip you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.